time.
If we don't get that star back on the tree by midnight,
Then Christmas will be gone forever.
we can't not have Christmas.
We're finished. We're cooked. Chopped, sliced, diced.
Where do we go from here?
Food fight!
Columbia TriStar Home Video presents
Nut!
a classic tale
Sergeant, attack!
gone nutty.
Looks like we got a rodent problem.
Retreat! Victory or mine!
He's a fiend, I tell you.
Your 4 basic food groups.
And it's a lovely day for a war, folks. The cabbage heads are up in arms, and the zucchini just got squashed.
Never, I say.
Star in an adventure
On the count of 3.
3.
of epic portions. It's food with attitude.
All right, baby.
Featuring the voices of Jim Belushi, Cheech Marin, and Phyllis Diller.
Hip, hip. Hooray!
The Nuttiest Nutcracker.
Wow! You know, they're nuts.
Speak for yourself.
Served up for the entire family on video this holiday season.
Wake up!
Get ready for Elmo's first movie.
Wow! What a great blanket. It's Elmo's best buddy in the whole world.
Whoa!
Elmo's best friend is in trouble. And rescuing him will be the adventure of a lifetime.
Elmo doesn't think he's on Sesame Street anymore.
Hey, Red, you're in Grouchland.
A place where you can kick off your shoes and smell your stinky feet.
If they're dumb and goop and eat your chew, you can bet you stepped in Grouchland.
Now Elmo's landed in a mixed-up world
Spinach ice cream! That's disgusting. And delicious.
where dirty is good and everyone's a grouch.
But where's Elmo's blanket? Huxley's house on the top of Mount Picanos. That's where your blanket is. Will someone help Elmo get his blanket back?
It's against the law to ask for help in Grouchland. What? I'm stuck. We're coming, Elmo!
Jim Henson Pictures and Children's Television Workshop invite you to discover
Firefly!
how sometimes
Can you help Elmo get out of here?
losing an old friend
Don't worry, blanket. Elmo will be there soon.
can help you find new ones.
No, Elmo! Blanket!
What spunk? What chutzpah?
Mandy Patinkin,
Hello, everybody.
Vanessa Williams, and the whole Sesame Street gang. The Adventures of Elmo in Grouchland.
Now, come on, Bert. Let's go find out what happens to Elmo.
Okay, good, great. Ernie? Problem.
This way, Bert.
This holiday season, you're invited to meet the newest member of the Little family.
Attention, everybody.
This is Stuart. Hello, everyone.
Are you all nuts? He's a mouse.
They introduced him into their world.
Well, it's just about everybody, except for...
Snowbell, drop him right now.
Spitting right out. We do not eat family members.
They welcomed him into their lives.
Can you pass the gravy?
He's not big enough to pass gas.
And they made him a part of the family.
A mouse with a pet cat.
I am not your pet.
I could rub your tummy.
How'd you like to rub it from the inside?
Oh, dear.
But sometimes finding a home
Stuart!
is easier
I'm okay, Mom.
than feeling at home.
Something's missing. I feel an empty space inside me, and I just want to know what was there before.
Down here. We're looking for Stuart. Where are his parents?
Stuart can't leave with you. He's...
One of the family.
There's something you'll never be able to give him. Because you're human. No offense.
Columbia Pictures presents a story for anyone who's ever had trouble fitting in.
I'm not really sure I want a brother.
Well, how about a friend?
I guess I could always use a friend.
Finding their way.
Stuart Little gets scratched tonight. You must be Stuart.
No, but I'll get him for you.
And standing tall.
Remember me? I'm Stuart Little. I'm Stuart Little!
From the co-director of The Lion King.
Go, Stuart!
On December 17th. Big things come in small packages.
It's the happiest moment of my life. I feel 10 inches tall.
I think I'm gonna cough up a fur ball.
Stuart Little.
I know that you and I got off in the wrong pot. What do you say? Want to be friends?
Talk to the butt.